You're not filming now, are you?
Heck yeah, I am.
Nah.
Yeah, we get it all.
I don't want to be on film.
Oh, I'll cut you out, don't worry. Then we slide forward.
Okay, hinge it flat.
Beautiful.
Mother, this thing's made of steel.
Yeah, it is. Oh.
Over there.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
Happy camper.
Yeah, me too. Wall.
Okay, got that?
Yeah, 5 of them golden.
Nice radiator. Do not throw this away. Oh! Tools, tools, tools. Okay. There's your water pump.
You want me to give it hell?
Oh no, we don't necessarily want to give it hell.
Okay.
See, that side definitely needs to go up. They painted.
Ooh, buddy. That is damned exciting. I can't believe I managed to salvage it for this many years. I'm not gonna dent it now. Well, that's not that. That's gonna be livable, right?
I'm doubting it. This is one of those places you take your screwdriver and you go boom, boom, boom. Try to.
Clearly. Clearly. Enough? Need more.
Nope, need more. Need more.
An easy,
Okay,
buttery.
it's far enough out to let it down?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep bringing it out my way.
Okay, thank goodness, because I am at my maximum reach.
Or is it caged?
I think it's caged. It looks
Yeah,
very
that
thick.
looks cast iron.
Yeah, it looks very thick.
Okay, so
Is that fall? Oh.
what's that?
I was just about to ask you if that was going to fall and I need to grab it. And then it fell. We got some issues. The engine is clearly seized. We've also discovered that this engine does not match in any way, shape, or form. It is the correct carb. And then we start doing a little bit more research. Turns out it's not a stage 1, it's a 455.